In this video, we're going to talk about the artificial intelligence algorithm called boosting. Specifically, as an introduction to boosting, we'll briefly explore the differences and operational principles compared to the bagging method. First, let's talk about the concept of ensemble learning. When we're making predictions, generally, we've relied on just one artificial intelligence model, like a decision tree. We'd base our predictions solely on the output of that model. But in our previous video, we discussed the random forest model, which takes predictions from multiple decision tree models and selects the most common one as the final prediction. This idea of combining predictions from multiple base models to improve accuracy is what ensemble learning is all about. Ensemble methods include techniques like bagging and boosting. Bagging, short for bootstrap aggregating, subsets of the dataset are randomly generated from the original dataset. Then, using these subsets, multiple models are trained independently, with each model not influenced by the others and trained in parallel. Predictions from multiple individual models are combined for final prediction, which is typically made by averaging or majority voting. The key of bagging methods is that predictions are made in parallel processing, and the random forest model is a prime example of bagging. Now, let's delve into boosting. As shown on this slide, boosting involves sequentially training multiple weak models slightly better than random guessing, on a modified dataset. These modifications involve adjusting the weights assigned to training instances, with misclassified instances receiving higher weights. When new data is introduced, each model makes a weighted prediction, which is aggregated to make the final decision. This process helps the models to compensate for errors made by previous models, ultimately improving prediction accuracy and enhancing the model's generalization ability. Boosting encompasses techniques like AdaBoost, GBM, XGBoost, LightGBM, and CatBoost, and in the next video, we'll explore individual boosting methods in more detail.